Hola, my name is Nicely. Thanks for joining me here in Venice, California. We're standing at Dudley Market, Venice at Hooked Coffee and Wine. Today we're going to be making an Espresso and Tonic. This is a drink that I usually describe as a citrusy espresso soda. It's kind of perfect for anybody who wants something sort of refreshing and bubbly and caffeinated. First thing we're going to get started with is a glass of ice. Second, I'm going to pull my shot of espresso. Then we're gonna pop a bottle of Fever Tree tonic water. We're gonna pour this right down the side of the glass. I always like making sure the bubbles are nice and fresh. And we're gonna pour our espresso right on top. I want this nice head of espresso, just like that. And a nice fresh peel of orange. We're gonna zest the oils right on top. And right around the glass. That, Espresso and Tonic.